art, through joy.
All right, so since you're really good at what you do, you've been dreading this moment, but I just want to see if you're really good at what Jessie and I do.
I'm not.
Don't say that.
Okay.
You are.
Okay.
You know, you should always believe in yourself. So this is your camera. This is your story.
Okay.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Winery Kahir. This is KTN News.
Start.
The government is alarmed over the increase of illegal firearms in the country. Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i attributes this to the porous waters. The CS says that the illegal firearms being held will be destroyed in yet another event in the coming 2 months. Our coast-based reporter Tobias Chanji with that story.
The Interior CS Fred Matiang'i said it is alarming that the numbers of illegal firearms in the wrong hands continues to increase. Addressing delegates on the Know Your Customer framework for Import and Export conference in Mombasa to discuss matters illicit trade, Matiang'i said there has been challenges in controlling the entry of the illegal firearms.
To say that there's also the challenge of movement of illegal arms across our ports. In this country, we have had serious issues recently with a number of illegal arms in illegal hands.
He said that in November 2019, the government destroyed more than 8,000 firearms and 300,000 rounds of ammunition, including grenades.
In illegal hands, and you cannot believe it, over 300,000, illegal ammunitions, of course, in illegal hands. What is surprising, and that is what I will shock you with, we are about to prepare to ban another pile of thousands of guns, because it's only 2 months ago that we banned 8,000.
Many unregistered guns had been seized in banditry-prone counties. Most of these were smuggled from neighboring countries, and others are transported through the borders.
We cannot, as a country, spend our time, collecting illegal firearms and banning illegal firearms that are finding their way here. Those are the ones that we collect. What about those that are moving stealthily into some of the conflict areas around our region?
The CS added that in the coming 2 months, another batch of illegal firearms will be destroyed. This, he said, was a small fraction of illegal cargo that is potentially passing through various points of entry.
Unfortunately, however, when you have all these businesses and the cargo moving through our ports and our area, it comes with some of the problems that we have highlighted. Movement of counterfeit goods and services. For example, one, movement of fake medicines. We've had so many cases, I can't enumerate all of them, of movement of fake medicines across this region. Secondly, wildlife and forestry products moving illegally alongside this.
Tobias Chanji, KTN News, Mombasa County.
All right, so how was that?
That was, I'll leave these things to you guys.
No, but it wasn't as bad as you expected.
It wasn't bad, but I was really nervous that some complicated name was going to come up and I'd just be like...
It gets easier with time. So you can actually practice and come back and do it and even take our jobs. But
No,
please
thank
don't.
you. No, thanks. I'm okay.
You're okay where
I'm
you
okay
are.
behind the camera.
All right. So finally, you are from Davos World Economic Forum. You're such an inspiration to so many young women and men out there. If you're given a chance to give them a piece of advice, what would you say?
I think that we are so lucky, truly, 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 we're so lucky about where we live.
Yeah.
And within our lifetime, or within my lifetime at the very least, we've been able to see democracy come into effect. We've been able to vote for our own constitution. These are really, really big, powerful things. And what I love about our constitution is that it says we have the right to defend and protect it, as every Kenyan citizen has a right to defend and protect it.
Yeah.
There are very few countries that have this written into their constitution, and more so, there are very few countries whose national ethos is peace, love, and unity. This is a beautiful place. So if we were to write stories about peace, love, and unity, I think we'd be smooth sailing.
So all we have to do is just believe in ourselves and be lucky and appreciate what we have around us.
Absolutely.
I think that's a very good place to end it. Thank you